Hello everyone, welcome to our project video. We are studying in NJ University third semester in mechanical engineering. Today our project topic is on step shaft with gears. My colleagues are Arshad, Rehan, Yashraj. So let's understand what CMP is. CMP means conventional machining process, which includes various types of machining process. In CMP, we study how a raw material convert into a finished product. Now let's further move to understand what a step shaft is. This will explained by my colleague Yashraj.
This step shaft is used to power transmit and its application is used in gear shafts, conveyors and automation. Hello, my name is Arshad. Today I am explaining you how we create this shaft. First, we take a raw material of 60 mm diameter and 290 mm of length. Then we use the lathe machine and we will reduce the length by using facing. This shaft length is 270 mm. Now we also done turning on these to reduce in 5 steps of the diameters. In the both ends we have 20 mm diameter. This is 30 mm diameter, this is 40 mm diameter, and this peak is 50 mm diameter. This is applicable for various purpose like transmitting power into different size of.
Hello, I am Rehan Bukhari. Now I will tell you about the gears. We have fixed gears on both the end of the shaft, having different modules, and the shaft having the 20 mm diameter.